Well, new technology could turn the cells in your body into tiny drug factories that can help you fight off disease.
That's the goal of a Seattle biotechnology startup company. Renee San Miguel has more on that in today's Tech Talk.
And my New Year's resolution is to spend more time talking about biotechnology. There's a lot going on in this area. Doesn't get the attention that some of the other tech companies around here get. It makes sense that Matthew Schultz would take an information-based approach to his biotechnology startup, Immusoft. His past projects have centered on traditional technologies like mobile apps and GPS logistics for truck fleets. So why not view the body's cells as tiny computers that can be reprogrammed? In Immusoft's case, that means removing B cells, which produce antibodies for fighting off infections and disease, tinkering with their genetic makeup, their source code, if you will, and then reinserting them so they can become miniature drug factories within your body. The technology, developed at the California Institute of Technology, got research grants from the National Institutes of Health and Peter Thiel's Breakout Lab, Thiel being the PayPal founder and early Facebook investor. Immusoft also works with Fred Hutchinson Cancer Research Center and the Seattle Biomedical Research Institute, which did proof of concept studies involving HIV. Schultz says Immusoft's approach can help patients in several ways.
Some drugs are very expensive to produce or deliver and have to be injected multiple times a day, and it's unpleasant for one, but it also limits what can be delivered at all. And I mean, at the upper end, these things will cost $400,000 a year. So if you can make your cells produce it on their own, well, that has a clear advantage. 24/7, your body's producing the treatment for you.
Now the goal is to raise enough money, about $8 or $9 million, to start the first human clinical trials. So to get that done, they can start that over the next couple of years. Because he comes from kind of a basic tech background or a traditional tech background, I asked him for an analysis of the biotech scene here. And he says, it's good. There's great research going on in the area at universities and institutes like Fred Hutch, but there needs to be more early stage funding help. So hopefully somebody comes along and provides that, more innovative ideas like this one.
It's kind of getting the word out. I don't think people have talked about it enough.
Yeah, exactly. So education, some of these companies need to tell their own story, but then I need to get on the ball and start telling the story. Exactly. I'll do it.
All right.
Thank you.
You bet.